Okay. So I think I can start now. Okay. Um. Okay. Welcome to another session. Studying. Studying with me. Today, I have the homework to do, and you can see that here. Task 1, let's go shopping. On Relax, you can find a zip file which contains a code frame for the class demonstration. That is what we're seeing here. And work on the following tasks. Implement a new visitor called Black Friday visitor. Check the summarizing and evaluating slides from the with what slide deck. Okay. This visitor shall allow for realizing the following requirements. At least a discount of 20% is added to the whole shopping cart. No extra discount is given to box shopping cart items. Ensure that here is no double discount. Okay. A discount of 20% is added to the whole shopping cart. Explain briefly what steps were required to provide the new visitor. Discuss and explain briefly what the impact on the system is. Okay, then we're gonna start with the implementation of Black Friday visitor. But first, I have to check for the code framework. So that is the summary of the code. Example: implementation of the cash desk visitor. Okay, this class runs through the shopping cart and by the type of the respective item calculates the price of the item in the cart. So this class is responsible for the calculation of the card. Okay. So I have to check the public class desk visitor. Okay, maybe we can somehow go through with the debugger. Supermarket debugger. How to debug this one? Okay, I have to try to comprehend this code. Yeah. May have to try something else. Maybe ask a chat about that. Okay. But where the hell is the debugger? The debug here. The debugger is over here. How do I start that? No, that's not it. Hot reload, restart application. Hot reload on file save. No. I really don't know how to use the debugger on this IDE. Maybe we have to place like a red dot over here. Here you can place a red dot. Hello. Here. Wait. Insert conditional break point, insert a trace point, insert a temporary point, insert a dependent breakpoint. Okay, crazy. I don't know how to do this. What reload? No. Let me ask for that. How to debug in Visual Studio. Control-Shift-B. Ensure debug configuration before starting. Debug configuration. Okay, I just started the application again. Can we somehow end it? Okay. Restart application. Hot reload on. Okay. That is so weird, man. Ensure debug configuration before starting. How do I ensure that? Ensure that your project is set to debug configuration, not release. You can check this in the toolbar where it says debug release. Where is that exactly? Debug and release. Like here? Configuration, release. What is the difference though? Stop debugging. Try again with the debug. Now it's working, but weird. Set to the debug. You can check this toolbar. It says debug release. Debug release. Okay. Control Shift B. Okay. What did I do? Use breakpoints labels to organize your breakpoints. Okay. We just gonna use some breakpoints then. Conditional breakpoints, trace point, whatever. We're just gonna do the conditionals. Okay, start. Start the debug. Seems like it. That's the object, okay. For the cache dash visitor. For each shopping cart item. That's the shopping cart, I guess. That's the object again. In shopping cart items. Ski, in, ski, whatever that is. I think it's a variable, right? I think it's a variable. Okay. Okay. That's it. Turn. Okay. Shopping cart item. Ski. My shopping cart. You step into request result automatic. Okay. Thank you for your message, Suzume. I'm trying to improve. Close. Okay. Set my cache as visitor. Public override accept visitor. Total price for shopping cart. right line. What the hell is exactly PCI dot name? PCI dot price per piece. Okay. So it goes back to the accept I visitor 5 V. And then it goes back to the object, to the shopping cart. Piece cart item, PCI. New, okay. In shopping cart. Shopping cart item in shopping cart, okay. And then we go with the whole thing again. And we have to accept the shopping cart item into my with my cash desk visitor. So we accept the items with this method, my cash desk visitor. And what is that? What is this method exactly? Public overrides. Not sure about this method, what that is, but it's override something. Accept visitor, that's accept method. That is the accept visitor, the visitor, I visitor, whatever that is. What the hell? Piece car item visit, public void visit, total price for shopping cart. Okay. So the visit method is gonna calculate all the shopping carts or the piece cart items. Okay, there's the calculation in the method visit, and it adds up the amount. Okay. And why do we need that function? This method for public override void accept visitor. Why do we need an accept? V dot visit this, and it goes over to the shopping cart again. Shopping cart item in my shopping cart dot get my cart. Okay. And now we are starting from the beginning again. With that, this V. Total price of shopping cart. Okay. I hope your audio is better now. Yeah, but I think it's fine. Should be fine. So how the hell do I do this right now? Because the task is to implement a new visitor called Black Friday visitor, because right now we have one visitor and it is responsible for the calculation of the shopping cart. And yeah, but still I just don't know why we need this one. Public void visit loose card item and public void visit. Over here we have free function of visit. And the only one that I can comprehend right now is this one. The other one I don't really understand. Euro weight 3 kilogram. Box card item. Okay, loose card. Okay. Piece card item. Okay, makes sense. Total price. No, they do make sense, so it's okay that we have them here. Cash desk visitor. What the hell is that doing here? Total price for shopping cart? Is that a constructor? No. That is not a constructor. That seems like a for loop or what? What the hell is that? Fuck. Oh no, I closed the window. Place tab right. Project. What did I do? What the hell? Can I please have my frame back? No coloring, please. Color place tabs on the right, place tabs on the top. That's okay. Toggle multiple rows with mouse wheel. What the hell? Can I please have my fucking window back? That would be nice. Oh my lord. Just give me my fucking window back. Yeah. Git changes, solution explorer. Okay. Okay, I kind of get the hang of it. So here's the interface. What? The interface of visitors. This interface must be implemented in order to get access to the visitable objects. Okay. Piece card items, loose card items, and box card items. Database of the object that accepts visitors. Why do we need that though? An object that accepts visitors, and then we can implement a interface for the visitor themselves that we can access them. So we have to accept them and then access them, and then the abstract base class for shopping cart items. This base class ensures that all shopping cart items will be accept visitors. Will accept visitors. So all the items are not accepting visitors. So we have to implement this method for that to happen. Okay, the class representing the shopping cart is such. So okay, this is a shopping cart. Helper class to mimic a scale instrument for the cash test. For the weight. Okay. There's a solution explorer. I will click through the programs. Just stay here, please. Thank you. Base types. Cart items. Shopping carts. Items that come in pieces. Okay. Boxcar override. Seems like a construction. Construction. Card item types. The program. Here's the main program, okay. With the object here. And here are the commands. What should the program do? Add a new piece card item called cola with a unit of 1. The same here. Okay, do we have loose card items over here? Add a loose card item called apple. And with the unit of 4. And 0.5 kilograms, I guess. Box items is over here. This seems more complicated because inside the box card item is also it could be a piece card item. So it also could be a loose card item. That's the thing. So that's why here's another object, piece card item, with which it's called beer, with the unit of 1. Box card item. What is this? 6. What is this unit? I don't know. Visitors. Here are the visitors. So technically I can just access the visitors program or section and then add a Black Friday method. Yeah. Seems like that to me. So how do we do this? What is the condition again? The condition is implement a new visitor called Black Friday. Okay. That is easy, shouldn't be that difficult. Check the summarizing and evaluating slides. Okay. This visitor shall allow for realizing the following requirement at least. A discount of 20%, okay, is added to the whole shopping cart, okay. No extra discount is given to box shopping cart items. Ensure that there is no double discount. Okay. Should be easy enough. Okay, I don't think so, but think it is doable. I'm pretty sure it's doable. Okay. Double total price, return total price for shopping cart. Double my box price, box cart items, box size. Ah, that's the box size. Times box cart items, box item price. Times 1 minus box cart items dot discount. Total price for shopping cart plus equal my box price. Okay. Shopping cart items. Shopping cart items in my shopping cart. Get my cart. Where the hell is get my cart coming from? That is the real question. Over here, return my cart dot to array. To array. Shopping cart items array. Get my cart. Okay. I'm still not really getting the full hang of this code. Base types. Why do we need a base types? Base types are shopping cart and cars, cash desk scale, shopping cart items. So we have to define the the base, the foundation for the program, like piece card items, loose card items, box card items, and the scale. Right, and the shopping cart we also have to scale it or define it here. So that is the base layer, and now this is the middle layer, right? This is the layer where we put the items into the cart, piece cart items, because we have 3 arrays, right? Piece cart items. Wait, 3 arrays. Shopping cart. Here. String.empty. That is just a string name. Okay, name string.empty. Okay. Why do we have here string.empty? I think every other visitor, no, shopping cart items. So we have shopping cart items and we have shopping cart themselves. Okay, that's why it's a string, because this one is just an item and this one is the shopping cart themselves. Okay, fuck's sake, man. Visitor. Okay. So on the base layer we have the accept visitor and then the access to the visitor. We have to accept the visitor and access the visitor. Both of them are interfaces. And then we have the what is called the shopping cart items method class. Right below we have the shopping cart themselves, and then we have the cache desk scale for the weight. The other hand, we have the middle layer, shopping cart items that come in pieces. Here we can add items to the shopping cart, right? That is the adding, like to the shopping cart piece cart items. No, to the category piece cart items. All of them are shopping carts. All the items are shopping carts, or shopping cart item. But we can now with this method we can add it to the piece cart item, add it to the loose cart item. And here we can add it to the box cart item, right? Shopping cart items that are non-piece and paid by wage fruits. Okay. Public double price per piece get and set. Public piece cart items array. Is this an array? Or is just an empty constructor? Public piece cart item. Price per price items dot price per price price per piece. Private piece cart items array box content. Why is this one not in array though? Why is this one in array? Piece cart items. This is for sure as a constructor. don't understand this part. Okay. Maybe I'm just gonna ask chat, because I don't understand this really. But I think it shouldn't be that difficult to implement the Black Friday discount. Price per unit. Properties price per unit cost of one piece. Price of piece. Price per piece. But what is this? I knew it was a constructor. Or a constructor. This one at least. This class represents items that are sold as individual pieces. Yeah. Price per piece stores the price for one piece of this item. Default constructor. Let me see how this is gonna work. Default constructor, piece card item, a basic constructor with no arguments. Initializing a piece card item with default values. Piece card items. Maybe add some in this one. So I don't understand this. The declaration means that piece card items is a class that inherits from the base class shopping cart items. Oh, okay. Here's a breakdown. Piece cart items are specialized class representing shopping cart items sold as individual pieces. It against all the public and protected members, field properties and methods of the shopping cart item based class. Shopping cart item is over another program, right? shopping cart items is in the base types. Base types here. Shopping cart items over here. And that is also inherits from this one. So it has the acceptance. Okay, so it has the acceptance of the items. Great. Okay, that's why it's here. And the visitor over here. So it's also getting access because it is getting use from this method over here. Okay. Because this class is responsible for the access and this is responsible for the exception. Okay. Ooh. Crazy. Key features enabled by inheritance. Need to redefine piece card item. Is piece card item defined in the shopping cart item? Piece card item, no. Should be in there. Okay, no. Price. Seems not right. Any common behavior or attributes defined in shopping cart items do not need to be redefined in a piece cart item. For example, if shopping cart item define a name property. Okay, the relationship between piece cart item and shopping cart item allows piece cart item to be treated as a shopping cart item. Okay, for instance, you have a list of shopping cart item objects containing both piece cart items and other subclasses. This line defines a property name. Okay. The name property is of type string, meaning holds values like pizza or apple. properties in C# are used to encapsulate fields in a class, providing a way to get read and set write the value safely. Encapsulate is what again? It's a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming. It refers to the bundling of data, fields, properties, and methods. Functions that operate on the data into a single unit, typical a class. Encapsulation also involves controlling how the data is accessed or modified, ensuring that the internal state of an object is protected and only modified in controlled ways. Data hiding. Encapsulate. So the main function, the main method is hiding behind a property. Hidden from the outside, access to that data is restricted and controlled through public methods. Okay. Prevents unauthorized or unintended changes into the internal data. It's the practice of protecting data within a class and exposing only what is necessary. Okay. Through control interfaces, methods or properties. Data integrity. It ensures data integrity. Prevents invalid states. Security. Internal implementations is hidden from the user. Maintainable. Makes future changes easier without affecting external code. Okay. So this one is for the price per piece. Oh my lord. This is so annoying. Public string name get set. Right now we don't have the public string name, but I think I have that from somewhere else. Right? Yeah, public string name. Where the hell did I get that from? Where the hell is that? It's over here. So here we can define the name, like I can write it down. Defines a name like Apple. Great. And the one below, what does that do? Properties in C# are used to encapsulate fields in class, providing a way to get read and So get is read, set is write. Okay, got it. These are our autumn implemented assessors. Code outside a class to retrieve the value. Code outside a class to modify the value. The public keyword means this property can be accessed, read, or written from outside the class. Public shopping cart items default constructor. Okay, just write it down. A default constructor. Special method that automatically call when an object of the class is created. The default constructor does nothing explicitly in this case. It allows you to create a shopping cart item object without providing any initial values. Var item. So with that, I don't need any value to create an object, right? I think I got it. This is a constructor with parameters that allows you to initialize the name property when creating an object. This one, constructor for shopping carts item to pass it or name, but it's protected. Yeah, okay. Parameter string name. This parameter is a string name which is passed in when creating a new instance of the class. Assignment: the constructor assigns the value of the name parameter to the name property. Here, constructor assign the value of the name parameter to the name property. This ensures that the shopping cart item object has a name value right from the start. Creates a shopping cart item where the name property is set to Apple. Allows creation of an object without providing any initial value. Enables creating an object with a specific name value immediately. Okay. What is this though? Copy. Defines the declaration defines an abstract method in a class. Let's break it down step by step. An abstract method is a method that has no implementation in the class where it's defined. Must be implemented by any concrete non-abstract subclass of the class. Abstract methods are part of abstract classes which cannot be instantiated on their own. Okay, subclasses inherit the method and are required to provide their specific implementation. Components of the method is accessible to any code as reference to the instance specific method. Okay. This is typically used in visitor pattern where the accept method allows a visitor object to interact with the current object. Why though? The method takes an object of type I, visitor is an argument. Argument is likely an interface defining operator that can be performed on different kinds of object in the class he or she. Add new operations to the object structure without modifying the object itself. Yeah. The accept method allows a visitor to visit the object and perform a specific logic based on the object type. How accept works. The accept method is overwritten in derived classes. Inside the accept implementation, the visit method is the iVisitor is called, passing the current object as an argument. Summary: abstracted method define class without implementation, force subclasses to implement. A key method enables external visitor to operate an object of different types without modifying their internal structure. That is the definition of a visitor pattern. Yeah, implementation and subclasses like pscar overrides accept and pass themselves to the visitor appropriate visit method. Extensibility and adhere to the open-close principle by allowing new operations to be added without changing the existing class he or she. Okay. I am keiner that. Oh. Okay. Um. Hmm. So this pattern. Okay, I'm just gonna do a break. So 10 minutes break and I will be back. Until then. Okay, let's get this back to the programming. So, public abstract void accept, that is the extraction of what now? Not this. Where's that coming from again? This one. But where is this method defined? The accept method? Or is this within the IDE? Here is it. Found it. No, this is the one, right? Okay, we were here, and this is the abstraction of the exception, because we need an exception to enter the code or the visitors. Need an exception for the code. So we always need an accept to enter the shopping cart, the visitor. The accept method is essential in the visitor pattern to enable visitors to interact with objects in a polymorphic and type-safe way. Implement double dispatch, ensuring the correct visitor operating is applied based on the object type. Keep the class hierarchy cleaned and focus with operations defined externally in the visitor. By requiring the object to accept the visitor, we create a structured and extensible way to add new operations without modifying existing classes. Yeah. I'm quite it's a way to add new operations without modifying existing classes. So the principle is the same with the except, because we just want to add new operations, but we don't want to modify existing classes. That is the principle behind the except. So except method is here to modify, to add new operations without modifying existing classes. Like this. Public class shopping cart, private list shopping cart. Public class shopping cart, private list, my cart, public shopping cart, object, add item. This is a function from shopping cart, or where's this coming from? Add item. Okay. Okay, add item seems to be already there. It seems to be already there. Oh, what? Okay, so this one isn't custom method, which add item to my cart, and my cart over here is the shopping cart. Don't understand this build up here. The my cart field is private, meaning it can only be accessed directly within the shopping cart class itself. Sure, this is a common practice to enforce encapsulation and ensure that the internal structure of the class is not directly accessible or modifiable from the outside. My cart is a list designed to store items of type shopping cart item. So shopping cart item is the name? No. The variable that we created. This is a common to enforce encapsulation. Is a generated collection in C# that can grow dynamically and as items are added. A list. Yeah, okay. My cards is a list that stars shopping cart items. Private variable that is just accessible within the same class. Stat and constructor. Oh, that is not a constructor. Oh, that is a constructor declaration. Constructor declaration. Not even void. A constructor don't specify a return type, not even void. So that is a constructor, okay, check. Key components. Name matches the class. The constructor must have the same name as the class. Okay. The Edison constructor must have the same name as the class itself. Name matches the class. Purpose initialize the my card field as a new empty list. This ensures that the shopping cart starts with an empty collection of item when it's created. So this is encapsulation. Method declaration. This indicates that the get my card method can be called from outside the class. It is accessible so that it is accessible to the other classes or components that have an instance of shopping cart. Method body return my cart dot to array. It's presumably a list that holds items in the shopping cart initialized earlier in the constructor as to array is a built-in method in list, which is dynamic collection to fixed size array of type shopping cart item. This is useful if you want to return the items as an array which has a fixed size instead of as a list which can grow or shrink dynamically. Why convert array have fixed size once they are created by converting the list to an you are freezing the data, ensuring that no further changes can be made to my cart after its return. This can be desirable for data protection. It may also be for performance reasons, as an array can sometimes be faster to work with compared to the list of certain operations. So it just converts the card to an array. Just converts the card, my card, to an array for performance, boost, fix size. Because this is dynamic and the array is a fixed size. List, array, string, chain, string chain. Summary is a method that allows you to retrieve the items in the shopping cart as an array. Convert internal into array, which is this method ensures that users of the shopping cart class cannot modify the cart internal list directly, since arrays have a fixed size and can not be resized after creation. Returning an array instead of a list is beneficial for some reasons. The array provides a snapshot of the cart items, making the cart stay Manage hands your paper list. The shopping cart class, presenting a shopping cart object, stores item dynamically collection. If a customer is allowed direct access to the list of items, they can modify the cart directly. They might add items that aren't available in the store or remove an item by mistake that they intended to purchase in the list and removes it from the cart. However, this item was marked for a special offer and removing it caused a pricing issue. A system bug lets the customer directly modify the list and add items that shouldn't be there, like a negative quantity of an item. -5. Benefits in online shopping. Incorrect prices. Only the shopping cart system can modify the car. The customer can't alter internal data directly. This ensures that the cart's content are always accurate and valid when processed at checkout. Okay, let me see. Mm-hmm. Up here is the variable, and here we are so we just gonna write it down. Okay, I still need this one. base inherited inherits from base. What the hell, man? Okay. Oh man, how's this gonna do me a favor? Useful for when you need to create an instance without setting properties immediately. A constructor, the initialize name property, inherited from shopping cart item. And sets the price per piece. So this one is from shopping cart item. Above, the dog class inherits from the animal class. Oh, okay. So the base will be the shopping cart item. So instead of writing shopping cart item down, yeah. Okay, I got it. Does not contain a constructor that takes one. Okay. Okay, got it. So base is this. Public piece card item. Okay, I understand that. Man, this is too much, man. This is crazy. A copy constructor that creates a new by copying the property's name, okay, from the other. Why do I need a copy constructor? This is a copy constructor. Copy constructor. This one. Constructor. Inherits from shopping cart item with the base. This here contains the price of individual pieces. Constructor that initializes name property and set the price for piece. Piece card items. Method except this method is part of visitor pattern. Yeah, it accepts a visitor v and calls its visit method passing the current piece card item. The visitor design pattern allows you to add new behavior to object without modifying. Adding new behavior without modifying other classes. A reason of creating a copy constructor like piece card item in the piece card item class is to enable the creation of a new instance. piece card item that is a copy of another existing instance with the same values for its properties. This type of constructor is used to create an independent copy of an object with which is useful in many scenarios where you need to duplicate an object or pass an object without passing references that could be modified outside the original scope. Let's break down the key reasons why you might want to create a copy constructor. Creating a duplicate object allows you to duplicate object. For example, if you have an existing piece card and you want to create another instance with the same name, price per price, you can use this constructor to easily copy the value from one object to another. Original item is an instance of piece card item with the name pizza. And a price of 10. Copied item is a new instance created by the copy constructor which initialized with the same value from the original item. Or has with the same properties value, change me. So add flexibility and safety. Visitor pattern effect. Butterfly effect. Here also, and here also. Get set, get is read, set is right. The price per unit of weight, for example, price per kilo, or a constructor that sets the name of the item inherited from shopping cart, the price per unit, weight and the weight of the item. It is like up here, right? Here. Okay, it's the same constructor inherit from shopping cart. Okay, it's the same. Public void accept. It's also the same. Get set, get set, get set. The box content can also contains nothing. Sets name and sets name on item. Name unit rise and weight. Set name price and price. Okay. A discount. The number of items in the box. Box size, box item name, box item price, box content. Box content is an array that holds individual piece card items object inside a box. Each element in this array represents one piece of the box product. A protected parameterless constructor. Parameterless constructor. This one. Box card item, this one. Is protected because the class might be extended but should not be instantiated directly outside of the derive class. So initiate the box size. Which is not shown in your code, but we can infer that it contains common properties like name, which is for the name. Interface would be defined with the method further. Each of these items allowing an external entity to perform operations without modifying the code. This is used for scenarios where the behavior should be separate from the objects themselves. Okay. Just want to know what that is. Ensures that the box card item class cannot be initiated directly from the outside. And the size to null is this constructor, and we populate it later in it. Box card item. Box card item. Constructor. Allow box represented with 0 items. Provides flexibility with that. uh, okay. Now here are the whole functions, how to calculate them. So we could add the base types. No, it is not really base type. Card item types. This is not really an item. Discount this, double this. Where's this coming from? Okay, weird. So we could add the discount either here or here. I'm unsure. No, it should be here. Really? Public visit. Discount. Okay, we should add it somehow without modifying the code. How? Okay, before that, we just gotta do a short break. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's continue the session. So we have we want to implement the method discount Black Friday. So how we gonna do that? The first um the first task. Check the summarizing uh, okay, I'm gonna watch for that. Still not quite clear how to. I'm gonna implement that. Okay, I don't think that's gonna be here. I think it's gonna be a base type, right? Public class dash, dash scale, right? But technically, it is also a card item type. Okay, let's try to implement it here. So technically, public discount. Are we just gonna call it Black Friday? Black Friday with an int per in discount, I guess, like this. Okay, that's not gonna do because there's also no so can we not do it like that? Is that not possible? Oh, I missed the class like this. No, it's gonna work. That is good. Shopping cart item. um Private piece card item, no. Public discount, I guess. Okay, how do we do this? Discount to other item types. Mm. So technically I can also do this, right? Lose card items. Wait. Add another public void. Apply discount like this. Double discount. Price per piece. Minus. Where the fuck is minus? Minus equals this price per piece times discount 100, right? 100 like this. Is that good? And the same principle is gonna be applied to the others also. So technically I can go to the program. My shopping cart dot Black Friday. Oh, what did I call it again? Apply discount. Apply discount. Why is this not working? Wasn't it apply discount? Okay, it's not working. It is not working. Matches, crisis, Christ. So I'm missing this part with shopping cart and the base types right here, like public void apply discount. Gonna go with this. If item is piece card item use item item dot apply discount with a percentage of 20. There, square. Something is not working. Item seems not to work. Why is this working here? Pass the item as an argument. Okay. Like this. Yeah, that seems not to work either. Shopping cart item or piece card item. Shopping cart. Item. So basically, public void apply discount piece card item. Ah, okay. Piece card item. Ah, okay. We change this back. This? No, it's not. It's not working. Wait. And then right item, piece card item. Right item, piece card item. You mean like this? No. Piece card and right. This is not work. Big words. In current context is not existing. I mean here. And now it's working, okay. Got it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm kind of struggling here because it's really my my first time to have to work with such a big code. That's why I have to comment every section. But at least I have someone that knows things. But still cannot apply it. Wait. If cards. Apply. Shopping cart. I applied it here, but public void apply discount. Add it to the shopping cart, but card not to work. Assuming all types implemented apply discount. Okay. This is not gonna help. Piece item. Private double discount percentage. Apply discount piece card item in my shopping cart section. My shopping cart section is not here. Should be here. No, not this either. Okay. You mean I'm just gonna take this one? I know I shouldn't do this, copy and paste, but should be here. No? Okay. I thought you meant this section here. You mean this one? Piece card item. Because we are passing piece card item and it needs to know what know that, okay. So this one should be like this. It's a type which is not valid in given context. Okay. Press F12 and apply discount. Okay, what the hell? Okay, this is crazy. Can I press it again? Okay, it's the same. No, just a question. Are you using apply discount name for two functions? No, it should be just one function, and the apply discount function should apply 20% on each item in the shopping cart. That's why I applied here one method. For the piece card item. Okay, but they are the same name. It should be different. Can we use the same name for this one? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Maybe I can change it. One T here. One T here. Okay, it's not working. You mean underline red here? This one can go. Okay. Look, you see. We need an instance of piece card. Okay. So I should establish one. Piece card items, discount. And then pass into parameters. Okay. So, these cards, item, discounted, new keys cards, item, pass into parameters. Apply discount, item discount. So item discounted. Okay, great. Is this working now? Okay, seems to work. But the result didn't, and now you need to apply your logic, modify a piece card item as you need. Okay. But didn't I... Are you trying to give discount every item in there? Yeah, at least for the piece card item. I want to discount them. Because I just applied the method for the piece card item right now. Not for to the others. So you need to create a list of piece card item and discount that by 20. Okay. And the list should be in the shopping cart item. No, shopping what? But you are doing well. Keep it up, boss man. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate your help, really. Because I'm really stuck here for hours. That is crazy. But really thank you for your help. Please, you can also subscribe me. Maybe you can visit me again. And maybe I have another problem to solve, and that is a more difficult one than this one right now. This is the job. Finding solutions to the problem is fun bit. Yeah, for sure. That is for sure. Are you doing IT yourself? Working in an IT company? Because you seem like one that work on a IT company. I'm self-taught. Oh, I mean it's also nice. Self-taught is crazy. Soon I will be working for some, I hope. For sure. For sure. I mean, there are a lot of them. They need they need employees. So, what is this project for? Is it like internship? No, it's our interview. No, it is just my homework. This is just my homework. You know. It's nothing like internship or interview. Yeah, I'm student. That is correct. It's good. I use ChatGPT a lot. It is a great resource. I suggest you to do the same. Yeah, maybe only when you feel stuck. Yeah, for sure. I use it, but not that often, actually. But I think right now it's a good time to use that. You're right. But you know what? I think in the future, you don't even need to write the code yourself. ChatGPT will do that for you, you know? So I have the feeling that the people in the future, they're just trying to learn how ChatGPT works, or the commands, the search engine, because you have to be very specific, I think, for the solution that you want to have at the end. So you have to learn that, master it, and that's the future of coding. Because I think in the future you don't need to code yourself anymore. It already does it for me. I have built my digital platform that worked for 2 years, and many of codes is written by ChatGPT. Okay, that is crazy. That is already applied. I thought it needs some time, but okay. But you always need to know enough to tweak code and yeah, that's for sure. That is for sure. So that is why I'm doing it manually right now, because I'm not sure about this code, you know. Because I got this code from the school, so I'm trying to understand that. I can build you a large scale full projects as one, but it's a crate for snippets codes. Yeah. This is completely large. But I think a large scale of codes, nobody wants that. Really, I think nobody wants that. That is too messy and too complex. But I know what you mean. Are you, by the way, a student yourself, or you are you said you self-taught it, the coding stuff, so you are not a student? Wait. Yeah, I wish I could go to uni in UK. But you are a bartender? What? That is crazy. That is really crazy. I really wasn't expecting that. But I know a friend that's also a bartender, and it is fun. Because if you want to drink something, I just have to ask him. And from the mood, he will do something nice, hopefully. Coding is my side hustle. I feel confident enough to find jobs now, which is what I'm going to do. Wish me luck. For sure. For sure. I mean, you self-taught it, and that is crazy enough, you know. The discipline to have the discipline to do that. Because I couldn't do that. For sure, I couldn't do that. How old are you right now? If I can ask you that. Thank you, thank you. You're 25? Oh, that's nice. I'm also 25. I think 25 is the right age to start right now, you know. Box. Apply discounts. How many more years for you to finish uni? I think I have 2 years left. 2 years left until I got my bachelor. And for the master, I need another year. So in total 3 years for the master. Each time divided by 20. Shopping cart. I think this is good. Yeah. So I think I have to paste this here too. And replace this. Just want to say I wish I had a chance to spend my 4 years just learning. This is a great opportunity and don't waste it, bro. I'm trying my best, really. I'm really trying to succeed because yeah, I don't want to waste that. That is crazy. That is the thing, if you don't use the opportunity, I think it's gonna be gone forever. And that is my feeling, you know. Cause you want to have something after uni. Don't be a wait. Yeah. Of course, of course. For sure. But also, I want to side hustle, you know, as a streamer. I don't know if I gonna succeed. But I think it's an interesting path, you know. So that's why I'm trying to learn and stream, because why not, if you want to achieve both, that you just go both ways, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, anything you enjoy, chase it, yeah. Trying to do that. Are you also interested in gaming? Price per piece. Yeah, I do cheats for game like Squad. What? You do cheats for games? Bro, that is crazy. What? That is really nice. So you do CSGO. So online cheats. Is that difficult? Because I never did it myself. I think you need the cheat engine for that. Cheat engine. But I don't know if it works for the online games. And if you're doing that, are you doing that for a customer? No, I never sell my cheats. It's all educational purposes only. Oh, okay. I think if you sell your cheats, I think you have to fight with the law. Because as I can see, you just cheats in online games. Discount. Did I write that wrongly? Loose card item. Loose card item should be right. Maybe here another parameter like this. Item 2 or item 2 item. Okay, great. My keyboard is empty. What the hell? Okay, seems like my keyboard is empty. I cannot type anything. Great. Keyboard. Why are you doing this to me? I have to charge my keyboard. Keyboard, 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 keyboard. Man, those Keychron's keyboards doesn't last really long. Oh my lord. That is USB-C. Oh, I got the wrong cable. I got the wrong cable for the charging slot. For the charging slot. Oh man, oh man. Do I have a USB-C cable? I don't know. I do have one, but it's really short. Don't think that's gonna help me. Okay. So, I have to go off now. I really appreciate everyone that participate to my stream. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So, see you next time. Maybe I gonna stream tomorrow again. So, hope you got a great day. I mean, you have 6 hours left for this day to go on. So, have a great one and see you again tomorrow or somewhere else. Bye.